In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an online therapy app that connects you with licensed therapists for messaging, video, or phone sessions right from your phone. This walkthrough is specifically for Android, and I'll guide you clearly from opening the store to getting into the app with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and the icon looks like a multicolored play button. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you want. Type BetterHelp, or you can enter BetterHelp Therapy Made Easy. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the official app by BetterHelp Inc. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps. You can also glance at the app icon and the download count to confirm you've got the right one. When you're on the official app page, tap Install. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is usually faster and can save mobile data. The Play Store will download and then automatically install the app. If your phone asks for confirmation or shows a progress bar, just let it complete. Depending on your device and connection, this might take a few moments. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch BetterHelp right away. You can also find the new icon added to your home screen or app drawer for future access. Inside the app, you'll have the option to sign up if you're new or log in if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your profile or enter your existing details. During sign up, you'll be guided through setting preferences and reviewing plan options. Keep in mind that BetterHelp is a subscription-based service and you'll be charged weekly or monthly depending on the plan you choose. Be sure to review pricing and terms before you confirm so you know exactly what to expect. After you're in, you can explore the features at your own pace. You'll be matched with licensed therapists, and you can reach them through secure text messaging, schedule live video sessions, or opt for phone calls, depending on what works best for you. That's all there is to it. Open the Play Store, search for the official BetterHelp app, install it, open it, and sign up or log in to start using the service.